Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making easy Spanish rice skillet. Alright, I'm starting out here in a large skillet. I have roughly about 1.5 pounds of ground beef that's halfway browned up. Now this isn't lean, so I'm going to have to drain the grease off of it when it's done browning. I'm going to add in 1/2 of a green bell pepper I diced up and 1 small onion I diced up. Yes, Dexter. Dexter gets so happy when I cook and I don't use chicken. I'm going to allow this to fry for a while till the beef gets done browning up and the vegetables start to soften up. Alright, now that my ground beef is all browned up, the vegetables are tender and I drained it, I'm going to add in 4 cups of water. Now guys, I said this was an easy Spanish rice casserole, and it's a really easy Spanish rice casserole. I'm using 2 packs of these Knorr's rice side Spanish rice. If you can't get this, any kind of instant Spanish rice will do. And I put in the amount of water that it called for the 2 packs. I'm going to dump that in. And I might heat it up on high. I'm going to give that a stir to get everything combined. Yes, Dexter. You want to say hi to everybody? I'm going to stir this well to combine the rice in there, or the seasoning in the rice. Alright, I'm going to put a cover on this. I'm going to bring this up to a gentle boil, and then I'm going to allow it to simmer for 7 minutes uncovered. Alright, this is done. I took it off the heat. I'm going to put some shredded cheddar cheese on here. You can use any kind of cheese you like. I just happen to have a lot of cheddar on hand. I need to use that. I'm just going to sprinkle that down over top of it. Alright, now I'm going to take my lid, put my lid back on here, and I'm going to let that sit off of the heat for about 5 minutes till that cheese melts down into the rice. Alright guys, this sat for about 5 minutes. You can see the cheese is nice and melted. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I went ahead and I added some dried chive on top for some garnish. Let me get in here and give this a try. And remember guys, think easy, don't think fancy or extravagant. So this is a quick idea for a meal on a busy day, and today was busy. It's really delicious, it's cheesy. You get that Spanish rice flavors coming through. Rice is tender. Quick, easy, cheesy, and delicious. Alright, there you have it. Spanish rice skillet. Thanks for watching and supporting me. And remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.